best mutual funds for 2025. Make the right investment today. How many times have you asked yourself, am I really making the right financial decisions? Or maybe you've wondered, what if I'm just missing out on the perfect investment opportunity? Well, if you're between 18 and 30 and want to ensure you're not stuck in a dead-end financial cycle, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best mutual funds for 2025, the ones that could seriously accelerate your path to wealth and financial freedom. But here's the thing, time is your most valuable asset, and if you don't make the right choices now, you could be losing out on tens of thousands of dollars by the time you're 40. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick around, because I'm about to reveal the mutual funds that can help you take full control of your financial future. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single one. Let's start with the reality. Most people your age, 18 to 30, are just figuring it out. But here's the hard truth. If you don't make smart investments early, you're playing catch-up for the rest of your life. That's not a game you want to be in. So, what separates those who end up wealthy from those who don't? It's simple. Their investment choices. Mutual funds, they've been the cornerstone of investment portfolios for decades. But here's the catch. Not all mutual funds are created equal. And with 2025 fast approaching, you need to ask yourself one crucial question. Which mutual funds should I be investing in now to ensure my financial future is secure? Imagine waking up in 2030 and thinking, I wish I had started investing in that mutual fund. Yeah, it's a little terrifying, right? But that's the reality for many people who don't take action today. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down. Now let's talk numbers. Over the past few years, mutual funds have outperformed individual stocks, especially when it comes to long-term, consistent returns. This is especially true for younger investors like you who have the advantage of time. If you're still in your 20s, time is your secret weapon. The earlier you start investing, the more compound growth will work its magic. So, let's take a look at the top mutual funds for 2025 that could seriously set you up for success. The first one on our list is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX. With an average return of 10 to 12% over the last decade, this is a powerhouse for anyone looking to grow their wealth steadily. But here's the catch. This isn't a get-rich-quick fund. No, this is about building wealth slowly but surely, like laying one brick at a time to construct a financial fortress. The key is to stay invested long enough to ride out market volatility. And trust me, if you can handle a little market shakeup, the returns can be worth the wait. Here's a little advice. Stop trying to time the market. It's like trying to guess the weather for the next 10 years. It's not happening. Trust the process and the long-term growth will follow. So, we've talked about why you need to act and what you should be investing in. But here's the most important part. Taking action. Time waits for no one, especially when it comes to investing. Let me hit you with the next two mutual funds you absolutely need to keep an eye on. Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX, and Schwab US Large. Cap Growth ETFS, CHG. Both of these funds are excellent options if you want exposure to some of the biggest companies in the world, with low fees and impressive performance over the years. The Fidelity 500 Index tracks the S&P 500, which means it's a direct route to growth. Meanwhile, Schwab's ETF targets large cap growth, giving you the potential to cash in on the biggest players in tech and innovation. But here's the thing. These mutual funds won't just magically fall into your lap. You've got to put in the effort. Open that brokerage account, make those monthly contributions, and stay consistent. Because when 2025 rolls around, those who didn't take action will be left asking, why didn't I start earlier? Now, I know you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but is there one mutual fund that could change everything for me? Stick around until the end because I'm about to share the one fund that has the potential to completely transform your financial future. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. We've covered a lot today, but the most important thing is this. The financial freedom you want doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you make informed decisions and when you take action now. If you want a life of wealth and freedom, it starts with the decisions you make today. Make 2025 your year of financial empowerment. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more powerful strategies coming your way. Trust me, this is just the beginning. Your financial future starts now. Let's make it happen.